It's a sudden you may start to lose. Boko Haram goes into Boko Haram and go into northeastern Nigeria will blow up people. 60 dead, 90 wounded. Or tragedy. Boko Haram terrorists. You can't ever win with terrorists. Just when you think they're going to quit, they don't quit. They start bombing all over again. They use women, they use children, they use whatever they have to use to get their point across. Just a terrible tragedy. A terrible, terrible tragedy. This woman must have really been brainwashed. These two women must have really been brainwashed. It's a sad to see what life, value of human life has come to mean less than money. In this world today, it's sad to see happening. Terrorists all over the world killing innocent people. It's going to take time to get them under control. Still, the killing is awful. Almost dead, almost wounded. 60 dead, 90 wounded. Staggering numbers. Staggering numbers. Over death of life. Boko Haram claims it. They're claiming nothing but murder and shit. They are murder and shit. Murder and butchering, raping, kidnapping. Shit. So somebody makes start news. Thank you for watching.